When most people think of space exploration, they imagine rockets, astronauts, and distant planets, not houseplants. Yet in the late 20th century, scientists working with NASA began studying something far more down to earth: how plants might help clean the air inside sealed space stations. The result was a groundbreaking experiment known as the Clean Air Study, which revealed that certain common houseplants could help remove harmful toxins from indoor air. While the original research was designed to support life in controlled environments, its findings sparked a global interest in using plants to improve air quality right here on Earth. Modern homes are often tightly sealed to conserve energy, but that efficiency can trap pollutants inside. Everyday materials such as furniture, paint, cleaning products, and carpets release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, like benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and ammonia. Over time, exposure to these pollutants may contribute to headaches, allergies, fatigue, and respiratory irritation. Plants, as it turns out, do more than beautify a room. They can help filter out some of these harmful substances through a process involving their leaves, roots, and soil microorganisms. Here are 10 of the most widely cited NASA-recommended air purifying plants, along with an explanation of why each stands out. Number 1. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is one of the easiest and most resilient houseplants you can grow, making it ideal for beginners. In NASA's findings, it showed a strong ability to remove formaldehyde and xylene from the air. These toxins are often found in adhesives, upholstery, and household cleaners. Spider plants absorb pollutants through their leaves, and soil microbes help break them down into harmless substances. They thrive in indirect sunlight and tolerate inconsistent watering, which makes them practical for busy households. Their arching green and white leaves also add a fresh, lively touch to shelves and hanging baskets. Number 2. Snake plant, Dracaena trifasciata, often called mother-in-law's tongue. The snake plant is admired for its upright, sword-like leaves and hardy nature. It is particularly effective at removing benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene. One of its most remarkable qualities is that it continues to produce oxygen at night, unlike most plants, which makes it especially suitable for bedrooms. Its tough leaves store water, so it requires minimal maintenance. The snake plant's resilience and strong toxin filtering performance have made it a staple in homes and offices alike. Number 3. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. With its elegant white blooms and glossy green leaves, the peace lily is both decorative and functional. NASA research indicated it could help remove ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. These pollutants commonly originate from cleaning products and synthetic materials. Peace lilies also increase humidity slightly, which may help reduce airborne microbes and ease dry skin or irritated sinuses. They prefer low to moderate light and communicate clearly when they need water by drooping slightly, making care straightforward. Number 4. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston ferns are lush, feathery plants that bring a soft, natural aesthetic to indoor spaces. They are particularly effective at removing formaldehyde and xylene. Formaldehyde can off-gas from pressed wood furniture, paper products, and fabrics, making this plant especially useful in furnished rooms. Boston ferns also act as natural humidifiers, releasing moisture into the air. This can help counteract dryness from heating systems, which is beneficial during colder months. Though they require consistent watering and indirect light, their air cleaning capacity makes the effort worthwhile. Number 5. Areca palm, Dipsis lutescens. The areca palm, sometimes called the butterfly palm, is a graceful plant with arching fronds that evoke a tropical atmosphere. It has demonstrated the ability to filter xylene and toluene, chemicals often present in paints, varnishes, and adhesives. Additionally, it is known for its high transpiration rate, meaning it releases a significant amount of moisture into the air. This can improve indoor humidity levels naturally. The areca palm thrives in bright, indirect light and can grow quite large, making it ideal for living rooms or open-plan spaces. Number 6. English ivy, Heterohelix. English ivy is a trailing plant that can be displayed in hanging pots or trained along supports. NASA research suggested it could reduce airborne mold and filter benzene and formaldehyde. Its ability to reduce mold spores has made it particularly popular in bathrooms and kitchens. English ivy prefers moderate light and slightly moist soil. Beyond its air-purifying qualities, its cascading vines add visual depth and texture to indoor decor. Number 7. Aloe Vera. Aloe barbadensis Miller. Aloe vera is widely known for its soothing gel, which can be applied to minor burns and skin irritations. However, it also plays a role in improving air quality. It has been noted for helping remove formaldehyde and benzene from indoor environments. Aloe is a succulent, meaning it stores water in its thick leaves and requires minimal watering. It thrives in sunny spots, such as windowsills. In addition to filtering toxins, aloe can act as a subtle indicator of indoor air quality. Brown spots on its leaves may signal elevated chemical levels. Number 8. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant features large, glossy leaves that make a bold visual statement. It is particularly effective at removing formaldehyde from the air. Its broad leaves provide ample surface area for absorbing airborne pollutants. Rubber plants are relatively low maintenance, tolerating low light conditions better than many other indoor trees. Their size and presence make them excellent choices for larger rooms where air circulation can benefit from additional plant coverage. Number 9. Bamboo palm, Chamaedorea cypherese. The bamboo palm is another tropical-looking plant known for filtering benzene and trichloroethylene. It is especially useful in spaces with limited ventilation, as it can help improve overall air freshness. Bamboo palms prefer indirect light and consistent moisture. Because they can grow tall, they are often placed near furniture that may emit VOCs, such as new sofas or cabinets, to help offset emissions. Number 10. Golden pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Golden pothos is a trailing vine with heart-shaped leaves streaked in green and yellow. It is celebrated for its adaptability and ability to remove formaldehyde, xylene, and benzene. Pothos thrives in a range of lighting conditions, from low light to bright indirect light, and tolerates occasional neglect. Its fast growth allows it to cover shelves and walls quickly, increasing the surface area available for filtering air. Because of its durability and strong pollutant removal potential, it remains one of the most popular houseplants worldwide. While it's important to note that real-world air purification depends on factors like room size, ventilation, and the number of plants present, the NASA findings highlighted the remarkable synergy between plants and the microorganisms in their soil. Together, they create a miniature ecosystem capable of breaking down toxins into less harmful compounds. Although plants alone cannot replace mechanical air purifiers in heavily polluted environments, they can complement them while enhancing interior design and emotional well-being. Beyond their filtering abilities, these plants contribute to psychological benefits. Numerous studies have shown that indoor greenery can reduce stress, boost mood, and improve productivity. The simple presence of living plants introduces color, texture, and vitality into otherwise sterile environments. In a world increasingly dominated by screens and synthetic materials, houseplants reconnect us to nature in a tangible way. Incorporating air-purifying plants into your home or office is both practical and aesthetically rewarding. Whether you prefer the dramatic leaves of a rubber plant, the elegance of a peace lily, or the low-maintenance resilience of a snake plant, there is an option to suit every lifestyle. What began as a scientific experiment aimed at sustaining astronauts has evolved into a global movement toward greener, healthier indoor spaces. Ultimately, these NASA-recommended plants remind us that sometimes the simplest solutions, rooted in nature, can have a profound impact on our daily lives. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.